This is Tanae Hair Care Diva Atlas coming to you live from Beautiful Diva Hair Salon located in the city of Colton. I wanted to invite you guys all to come out to our customer appreciation party being held at Romance and Dance Pole Aerobic Studios in the city of Rancho Cucamonga. This event should be lots of fun. This is our second time throwing this event. The first time we had it, we had a nice turnout and everybody had a ball. We plan on having games and other activities as well. Other ways to win prizes and gift certificates, as well as discounts on hair services from Beautiful Diva. This party, however, is not just for our customers, but it's for everybody. We like for our customers to bring their friends and also our friends and family on Facebook. We also encourage you guys to come. The pole aerobics thing is very fun. It's a very good workout, and we want you guys all to come and see what's going on that pole. Let us know if you can make it, or inbox us if you have any more questions about this event. Once again, it's going to be at Romance and Dance Pole Dancer Studios in the city of Rancho Cucamonga, located at 9552 Foothill Boulevard. See you on the pole.